Hi, I'm Jonathan. I'm the service manager here at SEM. Here at SEM, we pride ourselves on having a global service operation that can get out to any of our partners around the world at a moment's notice. Our techs have decades of experience, some with top secret security levels, to be able to work at any government agency or commercial partner when they need our help. And when they need us, we're there. Our technicians are friendly, meticulous, and always willing to go the extra mile to make sure that your equipment is running as it should. But it doesn't stop with the service visits. We offer on-site training, video and startup guides, virtual service capabilities, and have an internal service department just a phone call away. Our team also handles all installations of products, including working with our custom engineers to help design our large, centralized destruction solutions. The biggest part of what we do are preventative maintenance plans. These plans are our customized 20-point inspections to thoroughly look over an SEM product to ensure that it's running in tip-top shape. Any one of our preventative maintenance plans, whether it be annually, biannually, quarterly, or anytime you need us, offer the same care to ensure our machines run for decades. So whether you're looking at one of our single solutions or about to have a global rollout of data destruction equipment, SEM service will be there every step of the way.